And what's going on, folks? Rich is back with another video. Today I'm working on this 2016 Audi Q5. And what we're going to be doing is adding a key to the vehicle. Customer already has a working key. We're going to add another one. So with key in the ignition, we're going to be using Abrites. So we're going to go to key learning, BCM 2. Alright, it's reading data. Cluster right now is going through all the bells and whistles and blah blah blah. But data right now is transferring. Alright, data looks like it finished reading. And it failed. That's never a good sign, right? So let's try this again. Probably because it's on version 7.11. Let's try this once more. See if I can keep data communicating. Sometimes that works, sometimes it don't. And if it doesn't work, body control module needs to come out. And as you can see, guys, it failed. So what we're gonna do is take our body control module and do it the right way. So with the failure, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get to the back. Move this out of the way. We're gonna take the BCM 2 module out. We're gonna tap into it. So let me get everything ready. Be right back. Alrighty guys, so with the module out, we have our Abrites almost ready. We already have a working key. This is the new key that we're gonna put, as you can see there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna choose one of these adapters, which is gonna be adapter A. I have it listed up here. So anything with A45 or Q5 is gonna be adapter A. So that's this one. And we're gonna have to put it onto this module, and let me get my hands. Alright. It's really hot out here, but it is what it is. So this is how the module will sit, adapted, connected to the Abrites. Now I just need to get a power supply. So stand by. Let me get one right now. Alrighty guys, so I got the power connected. Got the Abrites hooked up to the AVDI. The AdProg is connected. The adapter is also connected. So now we're just going to stop this because this is not going to work. And we're going to have to go to special functions and we're going to have to unlock the BCM. So now that we're at this step, it wants us to do it this way, which is the way that I did it. So now we're gonna go to read IMO data. I'm gonna proceed. See here, there's communication going on with the AVDI. So we're gonna let this process go on until it's completed, and we will not interrupt nothing. Let's not mess with the power. Let's not mess with the connector. Let's not mess with anything. Leave this the way that it needs to be, so that way there's no issues. I'll come back once this is almost at its end. Alrighty guys, we're almost at the home stretch. We're at 95%. And everything else is still untouched. Just running through the data. We should be getting everything momentarily. Data is retrieved. Perfect. This says now you can remove the AdProg wiring. If you want to learn the key, please connect the Pro Tag. Alright, Pro Tag is still actually connected. It's actually under here. So, Pro Tag is here. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this out the way. I'm going to take the key that we're going to program, the new one. I'm going to drop it in there. We're going to hit OK. CS data. We're going to make it a dealer key. You can see here it's plugged in. Try this again. Sometimes this is buggy. I realize that I don't play well with certain keys. Try it again. That fret knot, if that doesn't do it, what we do is this. We copy the CS data. We'll try it one more time. While that's doing that, I'm gonna make note. Store that right here. We're going to go to key learning, BCM2. We're going to leave that as such, leave it on that screen. We're going to just take everything apart here. So, bear with me. Case. Make sure it's clipped in. Perfect. All right, let's plug this back in. Works. Now let's go get ready for the programming. Tighten everything back up here. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go program this key. This is a Cassie, this is a pusher star, so the key doesn't have to be in the slot, literally just push and go. We still need a slot to learn. So we're gonna do it here. So we're going to prepare a dealer key. So something is up with this key. Let's check it out. See what it could be. Okay, seems like it's okay. This is actually an OEM key, as you guys can see. But it's not programming, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in here, lock it up. Alrighty guys, I'm back. Got another key here. It's really hot out here. Okay. Let's make this work. As you can see there, I had a check transponder. It failed to write. Those were renew keys. So I've got another one here. Put in the programmer. I'm gonna go to make a dealer key. It's already connected. As you can see, that key is already in the slot still. And dealer keys made it right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna program it. I'm gonna learn 2 keys. Sorry, gotta wake up the system. System is sleeping, so wake it up. In and out. System is up. I'm gonna learn. So, you can see it there. 1 of 2. Out. Then we're gonna put the last one, which is the original. 2 of 2. And now we hit OK. Exit programming. And so far we are done. So keys learned, stored. Now we're gonna test it. Unlock. Unlock. Perfect. Now, moment of truth. I want to see if this starts in the slot first, which I know it will. Foot on brakes. Car turned on. The original. I know it's going to do the same. Perfect. Now I want to try proximity. Easiest way of doing this without getting out of the car is just remove the battery. Let me do that now. What we're going to do is we're going to test the proximity. So, when both batteries are out, I'm going to try to start. Nothing, no key identified. So we're going to go put this one in. This is the original. Perfect. Starts just fine. Off. I'm gonna remove the battery off of this one. With the original one over here. Go back to starting. Nothing. The new key made. You're gonna tell right here when I push the button, it's gonna light up. There you go. As you can see, guys, both keys are programmed successfully on this 2016 Audi Q5. The originals right here. All set, guys. To the next video. Peace.